Hi everyone, I'm Melissa Malati and this is...
I'm Varun Gurain.
And we are starting a brand new series that is basically going to be tips and tricks on how to improve your life through the 7 Essentials series that we recently brought to you all. Now, if you haven't ever discovered our 7 Essentials series, we will leave it in the description box below. But just to introduce what the 7 Essentials are, I was thinking, Varun, would you give us a brief on each essential?
Yes. So, thanks, Melissa.
You're welcome.
So, these 7 essentials are fundamental to human living. If you're not connected with these 7 essentials, doesn't matter how rich you are, how famous you are, or how educated you are, it is very unlikely you'll be happy, healthy, and have a very fulfilled life. So it's very, very, very important that we are connected with the 7 essentials. Now, this is based on more than 25 years of my research and personal experimentation. Now, so this is based on my book, 7 Essentials to Transform Your Life. Now, these 7 essentials are connected with each other. Now, the first essential is breathing life. Now, why is breathing life so important? Breathing life is all about life force that allows every cell in our body to produce energy so that we can live. Now, this life force in general can only act through water. Have you ever seen life without water? So whenever scientists are looking for life, they look for water. So this is where the second essentials come into play, which is optimum hydration. Now, if you look at the composition of the body, which is 2/3 water. Now, if the life force has to work, we have to make sure that we are optimally hydrated. So the second essential, optimal hydration, is all about building the foundation so that this life force can work through. So now, once we have this life force in our body, it's very important to be able to express ourselves fully. To really express ourselves fully, we need to be connected with the cosmic energies that surround us. So this is where the third essential, absorbing cosmic energy, comes into play. Now, it's just like a seed, you know. Seed, if it wants to sprout and wants to be a big tree, it needs to be connected with the sunlight, with the earth's energy and other cosmic forces. So if you really want to express ourselves fully in this world, we need to be connected with the cosmic forces. So once we connect with the cosmic forces like sunlight, the earth's energy and other stars and planets, so once we are connected with these cosmic forces, we experience the force of levity. So levity is all about going up, and it defies gravity, and gravity is all about going down and ultimately death. So life is all about going up. So that is where absorbing cosmic energy is so important. Now, if you want to express ourselves fully, we need to have a physical body. So this is where the fourth essential comes into play, which is mindful eating. The whole idea of mindful eating is to make sure that you have a physical body that is strong, mentally sharp, and also be adaptable to different situations. Very, very important. You know, we have to adapt to cold, hot weather, you know, all different situations, you know. So this is where mindful eating comes into play, which is all about making sure that that we have a physical body which is strong, mentally sharp, and agile. So this is where I also talked about the 3 principles of eating. So mindful eating is not just about eating food, it's about the 3 principles of eating. Now, as a physical body, once you have a physical body, you need to be doing something in this world, right? We are born to do something in this world. So this is where the right action, which is the 5th essential, comes into play. Right action or right activities. So if you really want to express ourselves fully, we need to be able to act. So the 5th essential is all about making sure we do the right action and the right activities, which is physical, mental, and emotional. Okay. So now, while we are doing all these activities, we produce a lot of toxins in the body, naturally, and also artificial toxins as well, because there's so much of pollution around us, you know, huge amount of chemicals, heavy metals. So all these things have to come out from the body. So this is where the 6th essential comes into play, which is all about removal of the toxins. So once the toxins are removed in a systematic way, what happens is our energy level goes up and up and up. It's not blocked here. So that's why whenever we have problems with toxins, your thyroid becomes a problem, and then the pineal gland. So all those things have to be cleaned up, and this is where all those 5 essentials that we talked about are very, very important. So the 6th essential, elimination of toxins, is all about how to remove the toxins from the body. So once you have done all these 6, your energy level keeps going up and up and up, and then it comes to a situation where it allows you to experience something that you have never experienced before, which is to connect with the cosmic intelligence. Now, the reason why I'm saying this, because what happens is we are all controlled by thoughts and emotions. Now, if you look carefully, our thoughts come from the memory, whatever memory we have. If you don't have a memory, you won't have thoughts. So, thoughts come from memory, and we have emotions based on thoughts. If I'm feeling good, my emotions are sweet. And once you have the emotions, you take action based on emotion. If I'm feeling good, then I'm very happy and I'm nice to other people. If I'm not feeling good, I'm nasty to others. So so our actions become our experience, and our experience is registered in the memory. And then we have thoughts from our memory, and then we have emotions, and then we act, and then we have experience. So this is a cycle. I call this cycle the cycle of misery. So most people are trapped into this cycle with their thoughts and emotions. So 7 essentials is all about bringing your energy levels high and higher and higher and higher, so that you break this cycle of misery, so that you have a fulfilled life, happy life, and a life which is healthy, physical, mental, and emotional health. So this is really, very briefly, what these 7 essentials are all about.
Amazing. So in this series that we are starting, we are going to be putting out a video. We're going to try to do it at least once a week. We're going to do as many as we can, and each video is going to be a little tip or trick of something that you can do to connect with the 7 essentials, to raise your life force energy and to live a better life. So we're very excited to bring this series to you, and I feel like that's all for our first video. Do you feel like this is good?
This is good. I think for each of the essentials, we can have some tips and techniques that we can take away and practice it on a daily basis. You can use it and help ourselves.
Yes, exactly. So we're very, very excited to bring you this new series. So stay tuned, and until next time, I'm Melissa.
I'm Varun Gurain, and thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you.
Enough.